How to make Indian-style mutton soup. Ingredients used: mutton, garlic, coriander leaves, onion, salt, black pepper powder. Take 700 grams of mutton with a small amount of fat and wash it thoroughly with warm water. In a pressure cooker, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic, then 1 medium chopped onion. After 2 minutes of frying, add your mutton pieces to the cooker and mix well. Cook the meat for 5 minutes until the color changes slightly. Then add 1½ cups of water so that the meat is fully submerged. To this, add 1½ teaspoons of salt and mix well. Close the cooker and cook on high heat for 2 whistles. When your soup is done cooking, you can add additional salt to taste if you like. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you prefer a spicier soup, you can add more black pepper powder and mix well. Finally, add fresh coriander stems and leaves. Your mutton soup is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy this simple yet delicious soup. Tell us what you thought of this dish in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more coming soon. See you next time.